Hey guys, so today I have got my third Halloween haul of the year to show you. In my previous two, it's only been TK Maxx and Homesense that I've bought stuff from. In this one, I do have a few things from B&M and the Range, so I'll say where stuff is from. I will list the other two down below in the description as well in case you missed them and you want to go and see what other things I've got. But we are just going to get started, and I'm going to start off with the biggest things like always, just to kind of move them out of the way. So the first thing I've got was from the Range, and he was £13.99 I believe, and he is a big garden stake. So you either put it like in the ground in your garden, or you can put it in a bucket of sand or something to make it stand up outside. On the back here he has an on and off switch, and this is a little solar panel, and he actually lights up with little purple lights. You can't see it very well right now because obviously I've got my filming light on, but at night time he does light up purple in this glass part here. You can turn it off as well if you don't want him to light up at all, but I just thought he was super cute. I don't love the green eyes, honestly. I kind of wish that they weren't there. It makes it look a little bit cartoony. I wish it was just kind of like black, or maybe just indented little eyes or something. But still really cute though. It's got these little glittery bats all the way down that you can move around. So that is our first thing. Then next we have a TK Maxx item, and that is this big serving tray. So it's got little handles at the side, and it's got a Ouija design on there, like a Ouija board. It is metal as well, so it's waterproof, and this was £12.99. It's very big. I think we're going to put this on the couch so that we can like put drinks on the couch and stuff. So there is that. Then next, my boyfriend actually chose this and wanted this. He got the spooky season cushion. This seems to be another one of those things in the UK that everybody loves this year. It's got really cute little ghosts and pumpkins and acorns and stuff around it. It's super squishy and soft, and it has a really cute little zip. I'm assuming this is maybe supposed to be kind of like a little orange ghost maybe, but it's got a little tassel on the zip anyway. This was £16.99, so that is the spooky season cushion. Then next we got this. I actually bought this from TK Maxx online. It's kind of like a double tiered fruit basket sort of thing. This was, there's no tag on it, but I'm pretty sure it was either £12.99 or £14.99. The top one is a little smaller than the bottom one, and it can just sit like this on a table. I really wanted this, and I was searching everywhere for it, but now it's arrived, I don't absolutely love it, if I'm honest. Some parts of the black inside have like a rusty orange kind of colour to them. You can't see it on camera, but in person they're a bit rusted. It's quite messy, like on the sides and stuff. I don't know, I'm just not sure how I feel about this now. I was going to put it in the kitchen with like fruit in it and stuff, but I'm not 100%. I might end up sending it back. But that was our little double tiered fruit basket anyway. If you watched my last video, you will have seen I was trying not to buy cups. But in this haul I have a set of cups and 3 other cups, so that did not go to plan. So next I ended up with these, which is a stack of 4 Cobweb mugs. They come in this little metal holder so that they don't fall, which is really cute. I couldn't resist. They had these last year with white cobwebs. This year they are grey cobwebs. I think I slightly prefer the white ones, but they're not around this year for us. These were only £12.99. I think for a set of 4, that's pretty amazing. I just love how they look, honestly. I'm not sure I will ever use them. Maybe they can be used for like guest mugs if people come over to visit or whatever, but I just love the look of them. So we got this set of 4. While we're on the topic of mugs, I might as well show you the other 2 that I got. So this is one of them. He is a very cute little ghost. It's actually really big, this mug. I know that the Target ones are tiny. The Target ones are definitely cuter, but we don't have Target over here, so this is our version. He was £4.99. Very, very cute. Definitely one of the wanted kind of UK items, I would say. So that is my little ghosty. And then I got another ghost themed one, and this one says "Hey Boo," and it's got a little 3D ghost up here, and it's like a really burnt orange kind of colour inside. Not my favourite, honestly. Now that I've bought it, I don't know how I feel about this one, so you'll have to let me know if you like this one down below or not. I feel like the print is a little bit off center, like it should be more over here, but this little ghost up here sold it to me. So this was also $4.99, so there is that one. And then if you did watch my last two Halloween hauls, you will have seen I got another two of these to make a stack out of. I finally got the other two thanks to one of my friends who sent one, and also a girl on Facebook as well. So I have completed my little stack of these pumpkin guys, which is really cool. So I've got 4 of those now. Next we got this little metal sign. I don't actually know what this is supposed to be, whether it's supposed to be for outside in the garden or inside, but we are probably going to end up just keeping it inside. It just says "Boo" with an exclamation mark, and then it's this cobweb down here. This was $12.99. Don't really know where I'm going to put it, but it's going to end up on a wall somewhere, so there is that. Then next, a few days ago now, B&M brought out their Halloween stuff, so we both ended up picking up one of these little guys. It's just a pumpkin with some fake like succulents and plants inside. They were £5 each. It is actually a ceramic pumpkin. I think he is taking his to work, and I might maybe leave mine in the house, I'm not too sure, but just thought they were really, really cute. So that is some little fake plants. And also from that same shop, B&M, we got 3 other little fake plants as well. So my boyfriend got this skull one and this little pumpkin one. And I, of course, got the little ghosty one. These were £2.50 each. Again, they are just fake little plastic plants in them, but very, very cute though. You could probably pull them out and put real plants in them if you wanted to, but I think the fake ones look okay. So that is those 3. Then next, back to TK Maxx and Homesense. I was looking for this absolutely everywhere. I kept posting it on Instagram and stuff, asking if anyone could pick it up for me. Unfortunately, I ended up driving about an hour to go and pick this up, and when I got there it was broken, so I've tried to fix it as well as I can. I don't think that you can tell. This was, I believe, $12.99 I think, and it does actually light up. It's probably not going to show very well on camera right now, but it does change colours. So there's green, blue, like a purpley kind of colour, yellow, pink, red. It changes all different colours, all in these little bits around here anyway. Super, super pretty, especially at night time when you can really see it lit up. Absolutely love this. It is made of wood, but it's a very kind of like thin, sort of bendy wood, so not the best quality, but I think it's really, really cute. So that is our little planchette that lights up. Then we got some pillowcases. I'm not sure how I feel about these ones that I picked up. My boyfriend grabbed these ones. So these ones are black with little skulls and cobwebs on, kind of like a filigree sort of design. There is 2 in there for $4.99, and I got these ones. I'm not feeling these as much, but these have pumpkins all over them, and then little ghosts popping out of some of the pumpkins as well. Again, there's 2 in there for $4.99, so we just grabbed both of those. They don't match any of the bedding that we actually have, but we have 4 pillows on the bed, so you usually only get 2 pillowcases with a king bed, so these are going to go on like the underneath pillows, I guess. So we got those. Then I've just got a few things left. So if you've seen my Halloween hauls in the past before I moved out, I got some little like side plates with different designs on. This year I found the pasta bowls in 2 of the designs. So there is these ones, there's a little label over his head, but There's 2 of these which were $4.99 each, and then there's also 2 of these which were $4.99 each, just to match the little side plates that I've got. I've still not been able to find one of the last designs, and I've not been able to find the big like dinner plates in this design either, but I just thought I would get the bowls because maybe next year they might have the plates or something, so I got those. And then 2 things left. So the second to last thing is this very cute little tea light holder. Here's one of the newest things that I've seen come out. It's just 3 little ghosties. This one is holding a little lollipop over here, and they have little tea light slots, so it is like a little candle holder. This was only $6.99. It's not absolutely perfect. It does have some little bits of colours on it and stuff where the paint has gone in the wrong spots, but I just thought it was really cute. I'm not 100% sure if I'll leave this out all year or if this will just be a Halloween kind of decor item. But that is the little ghosties. And then the last thing I got is this cute little serving bowl. So it's just 3 little dishes. They all have cobwebs inside and outside joined together with this little spider on top. I'm assuming it's for like salsa and sour cream and stuff. Or you could use it for little snacks if you wanted to as well. But this was $6.99, so I'm not sure when I'm ever going to use this, honestly, but I just thought that it was really cute. So I picked up that. So yeah, that was my 3rd Halloween haul of 2022. I will put the other 2 that I've previously done down below in the description in case you want to go and have a look at those if you haven't seen them already. You'll have to let me know what your favourite thing was that I got this video. I am going to go and put all this away now. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.